Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I will explain to you the passive voice, and these notes are based on your close up textbook pages 169 and 170. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, there is a table and there are two columns. Okay, column number one is active voice, column number two is passive voice. So we look at the first one, which is the active voice first. Okay, we can see this sentence: they use cameras in shops to help prevent crimes. Okay, so as you can see here, the blue word here, they, is the subject of the sentence. Use is the verb. Cameras is the object. In shops to help prevent crimes is the complement of the sentence. Okay, so if you look at the this sentence, it says here the tense of the verb here use is simple present, or you can say present simple. Okay, the subject is they, the object is the cameras. Okay, next we look at the passive voice. Okay, the same meaning, okay, but the structure is different. Okay, cameras are used in shops to help prevent crimes. So when you turn this sentence into passive, okay, you can see the form of the verb used is past participle. Okay, here is used, this one is are used, past participle. The tense is still present simple. Okay, this one to show that it is in present simple, but we use past participle after that. Okay, subject of the verb is now cameras. Okay, not they anymore, it's cameras. And then there is no object in the sentence. Okay, so this is how you differentiate active and passive voice. Okay, when do we use passive voice? Okay, we use the passive voice when the action is more important than who or what is responsible for it or the agent. Okay, for example, two people were injured during the robbery. Okay, because we don't care who robbed the person, we don't care what rob the two people. Okay, we just want to focus on the action, which is two people were injured. Okay, kita nak tahu kejadian tu je, tak berminat pun nak tahu siapa orang yang buat tu. Okay, two people were injured, dua orang telah tercedera semasa rompakan. Okay, or we can also use the passive voice when we don't know the agent or it is not important. Siapa yang buat tu tak penting. For example, you can say, you can use the computer now. It was repaired yesterday. Tak kisahlah Ali ke Abu ke yang repair. It, yang penting dah siap, dah repair. It was repaired yesterday. Okay, we don't care who repaired it, but it was repaired yesterday. So we use passive sentence, okay, like these two, when we want to focus on the action and we know that the doer of the sentence is not important. Orang yang buat tu tak penting, yang penting kita nak tengok action dia apa perbuatannya. Okay. The passive is formed with the verb be and a past participle. Okay. Ayat passive ni dia mesti ada verb to be ni and also past participle. Okay. Notice how the active verb forms change to passive verbs forms. Okay. For example, if the sentence is written in present simple, okay, present simple ayat tu ada take dengan, contohnya take dengan takes. Okay, I take breakfast. She takes breakfast. Okay, so when you change it into passive, okay, depan tu mesti ada am or is depending on the subject, and then taken. Okay, this is the past participle of the word take. Okay, kalau ayat tu in present continuous, she is taking, they are taking, I am taking. The passive voice will be am or is ni plus being taken. Itu untuk present continuous, being taken. Taken is the past participle. This is the form lah. Okay. Kalau past simple, ayat tu dalam past simple, I took breakfast yesterday. Okay, so you say when you want to write in passive sentence, you must have this word was or were in front. And then the past participle which is taken. Kalau past continuous, I was taking, they were taking. So when it comes to passive, you say the thing was being taken, the things were being taken. Okay. Present perfect simple. For example, you say I have taken. She has taken the thing, for example. So when you want to change it into passive, we say the thing has been taken, or the things have been taken. Okay, past perfect simple. Okay, perfect ni ada has, have, had ni. Okay, kalau past kita guna had. Had taken. For example, I had taken the exam. Okay, so when you want to change it into passive, we say the exam had been taken. Okay. Future simple yang ada will tu pula. Okay, I will take the exam. So you change it into passive, you say the exam will be taken. Macam itulah. Okay. So note that there is no passive form for future continuous. Okay. Will be going, semua tu tak ada passive form. Present perfect continuous, have been crying, semua tu tak ada. Past perfect continuous, had been ing pun tak ada passive voice. Okay, it's gonna be illogical lah for you to have that. Okay, so we look at this example, this exercise. Okay, this one is quite similar to the one in your textbook. Okay, so first sentence, my computer check for viruses daily. It's very practical. So these sentences in the second column are all in passive voice. Okay, so the first sentence is written in present simple. How do we know that? Because of the word daily. Hari-hari kita buat, kita guna present simple. So, for present simple, we have to use, as mentioned here, present simple. You have to use is, are, or am plus the past participle. Plus, past participle or check is checked. Okay, and then you have to decide is, are, or am in front. So we choose is because of the word computer. There's only one computer. So you say is checked. Okay, is checked. Okay, why is? Because it's in present simple. The subject is my computer. Only one, so you use is. Check is the past participle of check. Okay, number two. This one is in future simple. Okay, dia nak tanya makanan tu akan sampai pukul 11 ke kan? Okay, so the answer should be will, it should be in front, will the food, okay, be, mesti ada be kat depan, be delivered to the house by 11. Okay, you can see here, be delivered. Just like mentioned here, will be taken, will be plus past participle. Okay, just like this, will be past participle. Present simple number three. Okay, the camera not need yet. Okay, the answer, the camera is only one. This one is in present simple. There's only one camera. So you say is. The camera is not, past participle of for need is needed. Okay, number four. Her tablet and USB stick still last week. This one is in past simple. Okay, so you need to have the be verb. Okay, the be verb should be was or were. So since there are two things here, we say were. Okay, were sebab ada dua benda. Okay, kalau ada satu benda je, kita say was. Okay, were past participle for still is stolen. Were stolen last week. Okay, next. Number five. While the document I was watching a film online. So these two things happen at the same time. Okay, while the document, there's only one document. So, and then you know that it's in past continuous. Okay, sebab was watching ni past continuous. So kita kata while the document was being. Kenapa was Sebab dokumen tu satu je. So kita kata was. Was being. Was being apa? Past participle for download is downloaded. Was being downloaded. Okay. Number six, present continuous. How do you know that it's in present continuous? Because of this yellow word over here, at the moment, sekarang. Pelajar-pelajar itu sedang diajar untuk log in. Okay, the students, present continuous, are, sebab ramai, kita tak boleh guna is, kita kata are being. Okay, you can refer back to the table, the second table that we discussed earlier. Okay, the students are being, past participle for teach is taught, are being taught. Okay, the students are being taught how to log in at the moment. Okay, next. It was known. Okay, was ni menunjukkan past. Already ni menunjukkan perfect. Okay, it was known and all the files, past perfect should be, the answer should be had been. Had been apa? Had been, past participle for send is sent. Had been sent. Future simple, number eight, future simple. How do you know that it's future simple? Because of the word next week. The alarm system will be. Okay. Passive voice untuk future simple is will be. Will be what? Will be installed. Okay. With the ed as the past participle for install. Okay, next we look at nine. This one, we change an active sentence into a passive sentence in the following way. Okay, macam mana nak tukar ayat aktif kepada ayat pasif? Okay, the object in the active sentence. Okay, for example ni ayat ni, they are watching us. Object ni becomes the subject of the verb in the passive sentence. Okay, bila kita tukar jadi passive, ayat ni, objek ni akan jadi subjek. Dia akan pergi depan. The verb is used in the same tense. Verb ni pula tense dia sama. Okay, are watching, are being watched. Macam mana tahu sama? Tengok are ni. Are ni menunjukkan dia sama lah. Okay, tense dia sama. Okay, together with the past participle of the main verb in the active sentence. Okay, so cumanya, okay, verb dia, tense dia sama, cumanya passive dengan active je tukar. Okay, for example, passive ni dia akan ada past participle. So, they are watching us. So, the passive voice will be we. Us ni bila tukar jadi subject, dia akan jadi we. We are being watched. Okay, tak payah objek pun tak apa. Okay. Next, in this example, we do not know who is watching us. Okay, kita put je they. Tapi kita tak tahu they tu siapa, polis ke, askar ke. And it is not very important, so we do not include the word they in the passive sentence. Okay, tak payahlah tulis they tu kat sini sebab tak penting. Okay, note, when we want to change a sentence with two objects, kalau ayat tu ada dua objek into the passive voice, one becomes the subject of the passive sentence and the other one remains an object. Okay, which object we choose depends on what we want to emphasize. Okay, ada dua objek kat sini, for example, me dengan a video camera. Yang mana kita nak jadikan, kita nak fokus tu, suka hati. Which object we choose depends on what we want to emphasize. Kita nak fokuskan yang mana. Suka hati kita lah nak pilih yang mana. Okay, if the personal object remains an object in the passive sentence, then we have to use a suitable preposition to, for, and etc. Okay, given example here. Okay, the active sentence is, he gave me a video camera. Dia beri saya sebuah video camera, kamera video. Okay, so orang tu is indirect object, benda tu is direct object. Okay. So, bila nak tukar jadi passive, okay, let's say kita nak jadikan indirect object tu kat depan. So, we say, I was given a video camera. Okay, see? Indirect object dekat depan. Okay, and then the verb, and then dia punya direct object ni kat belakang. Okay. Ataupun you can also say, kalau kita nak pentingkan video camera tu instead of saya ni, you can say, you can put the direct object in front. A video camera was given. Okay, was given to me. Sebab tu dia kata we have to add a suitable preposition. Okay, if the indirect object is at the back, then you have to put to me lah. Okay, a video camera was given to me. Okay, so suka hati nak pilih yang mana, sama je. Okay, Next,